going to be the best assembly ever. It's really exciting. I wonder if the kids are going to like it. It's so cool.
Oolala, I'm busy. Today is Tuesday. What day? Our day today. Let's be responsible. Always try. Do your best. Cooperate with others and let's treat everyone with respect, including yourself. We made these videos so you can learn to keep the playground clean. We hope you enjoy. Hey, pick that up. No. That wasn't cool. Let's pick it up and tell her mom.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna ground her when I find her. She's gonna be on the gym list for life.
Hey, why did you do that? Say sorry, it's not nice.
Later.
What? They're throwing mulch at you. Who is? Kelly's throwing mulch at you? Okay, I'll have a talk with her. Kelly, I heard you're throwing mulch at people. Would you want them to throw mulch at you?
No.
No. So what are we not gonna do? What are we not gonna do?
Not so much.
We're not gonna throw mulch anymore. Awesome, you're awesome.
Hey, my name is the alien boy. Hey, what rules? Littering! Before you die, pick up your trash. Okay.
One.